So Shyft originally began as a company based on travel, working with luggage and check-ins. COVID hit, and then we were business without business. So with tourism dead, we did a few experiments, and last mile delivery was the one that won. So we jumped into the space with just a base knowledge, but we learned as we went on, we grew as we went on. We worked with one provider before Locus, just so that we could handle the fleet and the deliveries. So during this time, we built our order management system to work with that software, but then it came to a time with scale that we needed a proper partner to grow with the direction of the business that we wanted to go with. So Locus really stood out in this way because had a simple user interface. They had the right mentality, which was quite important for us because we didn't just want to have them as a partner, as a person to or an application to use or a service to use. We want to grow and have the application grow with us without being a hindrance to us.
Locus helps me keep a real-time view of all drivers and their respective loads throughout the day. At any point of time, I know the loads, number of completions, number of cancellations, cash collections done, cash collections pending, and number of pending tasks with ETAs, estimated time of arrivals. Having all this information in real time really optimizes my work in Shyft, removing the need of any manual processes.
So in terms of numbers, Locus has given us the data and the platform to understand what we're doing right and what we're doing wrong. Our fulfillment rate is constantly above 90% thanks to the route planning and our management of sorting. Whereas pre-Locus, I think it was around 80%-ish, again with the lower volume. In terms of on-time delivery, we are plus 80, 85, 87% now. We are doing internal processes to make sure that is improved. But before that, we were between 60 to 70. So again, our on-time delivery has been improved thanks to the data provided by Locus, and obviously with our teams working on that data to see what we should do strategically to improve all of that. So what we used to do before was a 100% manual planning process, which means that the higher the number, the longer it takes for us to plan. But what happens now is we have a batch process that takes 5 to 10 minutes, which tells us these are the items that have to go to this driver, and then his route is planned and managed for the rest of the day. Even if you keep adding stuff, adding deliveries in between, as in the ones that come in for the current day, the route planning is automatic, and then we are good to go. Overall, all of these points together has improved our customer satisfaction and experience because in the end, the customers want to get their packages on time successfully.
The batch process helps me plan and provide the best route for our drivers. For the next working day, the plans help me sort the load per driver per zone of the day. Locus save our time by removing all the manual process in planning to make it all clear, everything.
ये कंपनी में काम करके जो हम लोगों को एक ऐप्स इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है, वो लोकस ऐप से हम लोग काम करता है। ये काम करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है। ये जब काम करता है, ये अच्छा क्या होता है, जिस तरह आप डिलीवरी अराइवल का फ़ोटो ले सकता है और प्रूफ फ़ोटो भी ले सकता है। उसमें टेल समथिंग होता है, आपको कुछ बोलना है डिलीवरी के लिए, वो आप बोल सकता है, उसमें लिख सकता है। और भी एक ऑप्शन होता है जो लोकेशन रहता है, आपको डिलीवरी कहाँ करना है, वो ऐप्स में आप जाएंगे तो आपको वो लोकेशन दिखा देगा कि ये डिलीवरी इधर है। तो ऐप्स आप ओपन करके वो लोकेशन पे जाएंगे तो आपको डिलीवरी वहाँ सही से हो जाएगा।
It's been just over a year since we started with Locus, and we've grown immensely. We've grown as part of the industry, as part of the name, as part of the brand, as part of the service. So far, the growth has been delivered and justified by Locus.